children are our future.
The Honorable Tindi Mwale, my board shows that Fatuma was definitely ahead of you in terms of logging and asking for time. So we just bid for your time. Go ahead, Honorable Fatuma.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Today we have children seated in the gallery, and they need to know that they are our future, and we value them most. The Kenyan government need to take it very seriously to consider the situation of the children who are in custody with their parents. Some of the parents are innocent. Some of the parents are not innocent. But the bottom line is that parent in jail is going through emotional stress. That emotional stress is streamed down to the child because the child does not understand why she or he is confined in that room where the mother is. So I am urging the government that this is something that we need to take very serious, because mostly you find that it's women who are in jail that are in jail with their children. Luckily, father leave their mothers out and the children are taken care of by the mothers. But children under 4 years, we are told, Honorable Speaker, that before the child gets to 6 years, the brain is empty. So whatever you put in that brain is what will carry that child to the age where I am, where you are, and our elder parents. So below 6 years is an age that we need to take very seriously to help them grow. Apart from the mother being taken care of, the child needs emotional support. We have so many counselors who can counsel these children. They need psychological help so that the child can understand that situation she or he is not permanent, and it is not her mistake or his mistake to be there. So the government should not just be urged, should take it very seriously. The ministry concerned should take it very seriously that the children are helped so that when they get out of the situation where the mother or the father is, they can continue and live a decent life, knowing that that was not a sentence to his or her life. Mr. Speaker, some of the children in jail are sick and they don't get proper treatment. There are conditions that need proper treatment. A child suffering from, an example, asthma. During cold season, the mother does not even have a warm clothing for herself. The children suffer more. Mothers who are breastfeeding need to be given more care because the child needs to be breastfed and the mother needs different food other than the other mothers or other women who are in prison with them. So, Mr. Speaker, the prison has been neglected, not just the children only, but we need to work on our prisons so that the child is taken care of just as the parent is also taken care of. You might have done a mistake, but prison is for correction. It's not for judgment that you will die there with in a disparate situation. It is an institution that is supposed to correct the bad behavior that you had when you are out. And so the child should not made to understand otherwise, that my mother is a prisoner because my mother was a bad girl, so I grow knowing that my mother is a bad girl. Psychological help is what we need more than anything else. It must be accompanied by education. The child needs to be given an opportunity to go to a proper school in the prison, so that when the child comes out, life can be normal for that child like any other children. For the children who are in prison, I am very sure they are not able to watch us, but when guardians go to visit them, please help the child know that there is God. Help the child know that this country cares for them. Help the child know that mommy is in prison, but mommy is a good girl, and when mommy comes out, God willing, mommy will change her character, and so you are not prisoned, it is mommy who is in prison. I pray that one day those children will come out, and one day one of them will be a women representative of Migori County, one will be a governor of Migori County, one will be the president of Kenya, one will be a director, one will be a CEO. Dear children, who knows other children whose mothers are in prison? Those who are above 4 years who are within school, please tell them they are good children and their parents are good children, but mommy did a small mistake, that mommy has gone for correction, and when mommy comes out, mommy will be a good girl. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Well said. I wish to recognize in the public gallery people